Welcome back to RamZland. Today I want to show you the redox reaction between potassium dichromate and zinc. Check this out. For this reaction, we'll use potassium dichromate, zinc, and a ceramic crucible. Begin by measuring out 2 grams of potassium dichromate. Next, measure out 2 grams of zinc powder. Now mix your potassium dichromate and your zinc together. Since this mixture is sensitive to shock, be careful not to use a pestle to grind it anyway, but just use the edge of your spatula to gently mix the two together until you have a nice, even mixture. Since this is an exothermic reaction, add your mixture to a ceramic crucible that can take the heat of the reaction. For safety, place your crucible on a ring stand behind a blast shield over a flame retentive blanket. Now ready to use a Bunsen burner for the activation energy needed to start the reaction. Here we go. Here's our products: zinc dichromate, that's the yellow-orange powder that you see, and potassium. Here's the balanced equation for this amazing redox reaction. We start with the reactants potassium dichromate and zinc. We have 1 mole of potassium dichromate, that's the K2Cr2O7, and we have 1 mole of zinc, Zn. When those are carefully mixed together and activation energy is provided from our Bunsen burner, we get the products potassium and zinc dichromate. We have 2 moles of potassium, that's the 2K, and 1 mole of zinc dichromate, that's the ZnCr2O7. This is a reduction-oxidation reaction. The zinc is being oxidized as it loses 2 electrons, and the potassium in the potassium dichromate is being reduced as it gains 2 electrons in this amazing reaction. I hope you enjoyed today's edition of RamZland, and I'll see you next time. If you enjoyed this presentation, be sure to remember to like and subscribe.